Hello, this is George with the Harmony Trading System coming to you from Frisco, Texas. Let's take a quick look at where the market is at and how we ended up doing for the day. We're going to start off with looking at ES. Let's start with that one. ES hit the range and the resistance of 2881, came back in a significant way. Now the target on this one is going to be around 2800, and the fact that we had 2 wicks hitting the same level in and around 29 twice, tomorrow is gonna be a significant day. As long as we continue to trade under the 2881, 2889, we should see pressure to the downside in ES. Now we shifted the actual channel to the upside. So I will be looking for that selling pressure to kind of be overturned toward the end of the week to the long side. So we're going to be apprehensive. We're going to be looking at this price action. We're taking it one day at a time as the price progresses. Crude oil. We hit that middle of the range on that channel, and we retraced as expected. Tomorrow price action, as long as we trade under 25, we should start retracing back to the 2120 area. Very critical couple of days on crude oil. And NG, natural gas, you got a significant reversal coming in today. That price action, any rally to 2.018 is looked at as a shorting opportunity for a break below to 1.83 over the course of multiple days. But we are in a consolidation around that price action. As long as we trade under 2.08, you're looking at rallies as a shorting opportunity. And let's see, NQ, our favorite NQ, they tried, it was much stronger than the rest of the instruments out there. The attempts to break out above 9,000 over 9,042 during Globex got overturned. The 9,000 was a sticking point on this price action. So tomorrow, as long as we trade under 9822, we're looking for selling pressure to the 8700. Let's take a quick look at our trades. Trades were magnificent today. We traded plenty. 8 decisions. We ended up at 1636. Surprisingly, most of the trades are long and few are short for that price, for that target. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. I like to keep my videos short, and we'll see you on the next one.